It's amazing. Tom, stop this thing. Hi there, this is Martin.
This is Tom from Apsley Farms.
And we are just answering one of the big questions at this time of year. We're finding that people think it's too late to mulch. And also, there's a burning issue that people slightly worry about when they're planting new plants into an old bed.
It's never too late. There's a couple of secret tips that we're going to give you now about how to plant on any delicate plants or any plants that you are at all worried about when you're mulching.
You've got to remember that July and August last year, it didn't rain. So it's really, really imperative that you do mulch. Not just now, because it's raining now, it doesn't matter. It will be dry, and the mulching now will save your plants in the summer.
It will lock in the moisture, reduce weeds, and just give all the good nutrients that is needed for successful plant growth and make your beds, borders, veggie patches all work wonderfully.
So we're just going to plant up this bed here. It's mainly an established bed. We've got a few new plants, so that we're going to show you how one would tackle a new bed like this from the start. It's very easy. Just watch. People say to me, oh God, my soil is appalling. Well, the truth is that most people's soil is appalling. This is very flinty. You can see it's chalky. It has no nutrients at all. It drains very, very quickly. And actually, it's like a sieve. It just, all rain just runs off. So any organic matter makes a big difference.
So now we've done all the planting, this is the magic tip that we've worked out, we've been told about, and it works. So when you are putting down our mulch, you want to leave a gap around each plant. Each plant that you're worried about, or concerned, young, tender, coming up. And these plants that we've just planted, the secret is, the old flower pot. Put that round.
Throw it about the place.
Throw it about the place. Put it around, and then that's how you do it, isn't it, Marks?
Yeah.
What we're trying to avoid is any of our mulch, or reduce the chance of our mulch getting onto these young and tender leaves. Now, putting the plant pots around there means that when we're putting the mulch down, it's nice and simple, all right? And then we'll show you what it looks like afterwards.
Effectively, what we're trying to do is that you do get the odd outside leaf, but that's not a problem. You just don't want to affect the crown. So really, you're just protecting the main part of the plant.
Go.
I think we're good.
Let's get on with the mulching.
Right, as with all new plants, you all know this, you give them a good dose of water when they've gone in, particularly with our mulch. And the other thing is, when you buy a new gadget, try it before you do something like this. The plants have got wet and so have I. Right, half a bag of mulch, 10 minutes. This flower bed is transformed in the summer. It's now ready for summer.
It will stop the weeds, reduce your watering, and make it look really smart for all your parties.
Yeah. Anyway, it's goodbye from us and goodbye from this thing. Stay tuned for the next episode. And just, I would say, belts and braces. Like whenever you plant something, you've got to turn the tap on. It's amazing. Tom, stop this thing. I can't stop this thing.